Alright, so here I am with something different now. Well, different. Different than Trilogy, but that's not the first time we do this type of break. We've got break 2477. 2477, Series 1 and Series 2. Double box break, so let's do this. Good luck, everybody. It's about time we get a Matthews now. Matthews, Lane, Marner, something.
I'm going to use your Facebook, Jonathan.
Yeah. So, guys, if you receive some strange message from mine, no, that is not me. That is Francois that is on my Facebook. So, Francois, please. Huh? On top, we've got Jason Ellis. And last is Sylvain.
Fair ball, sir. Fair ball.
So, we're all live, Francois. Okay. Jason is on top. So I should get my camera back soon, huh? Francois, what do you think about that one?
Jonathan, you said Arizona was still there, but it's gone.
Ooh.
From the break.
Okay.
Regular ticket.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot to put it for him.
It's already there.
Really?
Yeah.
What an idiot am I? Right, Jason is on top. Last is Sylvain. Sport video quality now. So I'm going to do random and I'm going to do pairing after. First, second, and third. So on top is the Winnipeg Jets. Oh my God. Last is Boston Bruins. Wait for this one, Francois. On top, Winnipeg. Last is Boston Bruins. Look at the second team.
Toronto? The same person as Winnipeg and Toronto?
Yeah, so Jason Ellis. Jason Ellis wanted a random spot. I chose a spot for him. So that is alright, so Jason, Winnipeg, Toronto, Edmonton. What? Unbelievable. Next, Mark, Ottawa, Carolina, Chicago, Eric, Florida, Columbus, Dallas. Mark with his second spot. Vancouver, Anaheim, LA. Sylvain, New York Rangers, Regional Coyotes, New York Islanders. Eric, Detroit, Nashville, Philadelphia. Spot 7, Francis, Washington, San Jose, Tampa Bay. Michael, Colorado, Pittsburgh, Calgary. Gianluca, Minnesota, St. Louis. And Sylvain, Buffalo, New Jersey Devils, and the Boston Bruins. So here's the list, but for now, Jason Ellis is on top for this one. So it looks like I'm trying to tag Benny Bruins. I don't want to tag you. All right. So.
Who?
Benny Bruins. All right. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Jason might be the best break for you ever. Imagine we get a Lane and a Matthews. I'm going to start with Series 2. That's what I like. Just see something. All right, so starting with a young gun for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Next, we've got a canvas New York Islanders, Andrew Ladd. Third pack, we've got a retro rookie for the Florida Panthers, Dennis Morgan. Young gun Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Portraits for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Connor Brown. Alright, so those packs. Next, we've got a marquee rookie, Arizona Coyotes, Christian Dvorak. Next, we've got a rookie material. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that, Francois. Look at that.
Oh, nice.
Are you creating a new one for that?
Oh, I'm just...
So we've got a rookie material.
It's the first time I see it.
Yeah, me too. Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laney. It's a really nice hit for Jason Ellis. Patrick Laney, rookie material. Next, we've got a portraits for the Flyers, Travis Konechny. Next pack, We've got a young gun for the Edmonton Oilers, Drake Caggiula. Next, the marquee rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. Next, the marquee rookie Florida Panthers, Dennis Morgan. And last pack of this first half, canvas for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. So that was the first half. Second half. There we go. We've got a young gun for Toronto, Frédéric Gauthier. Next pack, canvas, retired canvas for Pittsburgh, Mario Lemieux. Mario Lemieux, nice hit for Pittsburgh. Next pack is retro rookie Arizona Coyotes, Christian Vurak. Young gun for Pittsburgh, Dominic Simon. We've got a portrait for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome. Next pack, we've got a marquee rookie foil for Chicago, Nick Schmaltz. Next, we've got a base pack of the box. Next pack, we've got a portrait for the New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Young gun for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome. What do we have next? A OPG update for Toronto Maple Leafs, Frédéric Gauthier. Last two packs of Series 2. We start with a marquee rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. And last pack of Series 2. We've got a canvas for the Vancouver Canucks, Sven Barchi. So honestly, that was a really good Series 2 box.
Where was a good young one?
Oh. A good young gun?
Yeah.
We had Dylan Strome. That wasn't
So
so bad. Oh, we had a retired canvas of Mario Lemieux. Alright, Series 1. Let's do this. Alright, pack number 1. We start. What do we have? First young gun now. Young gun for Columbus, Olivier Buxton. Next pack. We've got a Shining Stars, Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Is that Jimmy Howard? Peter Mrazek. That's Peter Mrazek, sorry. And we've got a canvas from Montreal, Brendan Gallagher. Next pack. What do we have? We got a jersey, Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. Next, we've got a base pack. Next, our second young gun for Arizona, Jacob Chychrun. Base pack. Next pack, we've got another base pack. Portraits for the Boston Bruins, Brad Marchand. Canvas for the Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. And we've got a young gun for Nashville, Pontus Aberg. Shining Stars for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Portraits, Detroit Red Wings, Dylan Larkin. And last pack of our first half. Whoa, what do we have? A base pack. All right, so that was the first half. Second half. we've got a young gun. What do we have? Young gun for Arizona, Lawson Krause. So looks like we're not gonna get a Matthews again.
Where is he?
I don't know. Next, we've got a base pack. Shining Stars Blue for the Winnipeg Jets, Mark Scheifele. Next pack, we've got a canvas for Calgary, Johnny Gaudreau. All right, we got another young gun, New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Next pack, Shining Stars for Washington, Alex Ovechkin. Base pack. Portraits for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. Right, next young gun is for the Boston Bruins, Denton Aynon. It's not so bad now because he's having a good season. Yep. Next pack, we've got a base pack. All right, last two packs. What do we have? A portrait St. Louis Blues Robbie Fabry. And a canvas for the Anaheim Ducks Ryan Getzlaf. And the last pack. We've got a base pack. So that was our dual.
Doable.
I wanted to say dual,
It's
but
doable, Jonathan.
yeah, doable. That was our doable. That was our double box break of Sergio on the Series 2. Again, no Matthews. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know. I'm gonna post another one because I feel we're gonna get a Matthews soon. Can't believe we're not gonna get one. So thanks, and I'll be back soon. By the way, guys, we're trying to fill our trilogy inner. There's 5 teams left.
4 teams left.
4 teams left. So we're probably gonna do this tonight. So don't miss that. Thanks.